کیوی آگئی ضعیفی زینب کھڑی حیرانے کیوی آگئی ضعیفی ڈر گئی 4 سالہ پابیتی پرصدارے شمر بار بارے مر کے تمام چیاتے چہرے پہ نشانے کیوی آ گئی ضعیفی زینب کھڑی حیرانے کیوی آ گئی ضعیفی صلوات
على محمد وآل Muhammad. Can I have a hug? I just want a hug. Thank you so much. That was so amazing. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good boy, mashallah. Brilliant.
Well, I think it was really good.
So look, you've made Mullah Nazar cry with your recitation. Yeah? Mullah Nazar, please, can we get your thoughts?
Let me last one.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sayyid Jalal, please. Or actually Sayyid Mesum, whichever one. Please do. Yeah.
Meesam, your name, it's hard for me not to be biased today. This is only the love of Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam that, you have such little children reciting for them. I'm sure, maybe if not in this stage, if you were reciting in a jalus, I'm sure crowds would stop to listen to you, mashallah. They want to see what's making a little kid mourn something that happened 1400 years ago. Mashallah, may Allah give you, you're only 7. When I started, you beat me by a year. My first album was when I was 8 years old. So you do the math now, it was 99, 98, I think it's 23 years now. I hope one day, inshallah, Mawla tumhe itni bulandiyan de. May Allah give you so many izzat that you are here in my place, inshallah, one day.
Ahsant.
I want to just...
Sayyid Jalal.
Mesum, mashallah, beautiful recitation. When you were reciting at the beginning, your qarar, the first stage, I thought it's not your voice. It is a strong, really strong voice you have. It is more than your age, the voice. I really enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you.
That was lovely. Thank you, Sayyid. Dr. Sayyid Ammar, please.
Meesam, I'm ever so proud of you. We wanted to make sure that a show would allow for people in your age group as well to be represented. You are amazing. At your age, I used to have stage fright, believe it or not. 7 years old, there's no way I would have got up. Listen, 17, I wouldn't have got up. And for you to come here, and you've made daddy and mommy proud, I'm sure. You continue doing what you're doing, and mashallah, one day we'll recognize you for sure as a Shia Voice. Well done.
Inshallah. Ahsantum. And Haj Nazar, lastly.
Oh, Meesam, when you started, I was thinking in Urdu. I was saying, ye kya tarz bandigi hai? Ye kya tarz nokari hai? How this... say it? Can you translate it?
Yeah. What a unique way of serving the Imam.
Of serving. Which way of serving? How? I mean, what this Ahlul Bayt, what they did to us, that a child like you coming and reciting for Sayyidah Zainab. Ye kya tarz nokari hai. I don't have any comment, but do you accept if I recite a bit about Sayyidah Zainab? زينب ما أدراك من زينب يا سؤال سلطانة الصمود في مملكة الدلال ليس لها مثيل إن قلت ما الدليل أقول من في بيتها يخدم جبرائيل ومن سواها صار عباس لها كفيل.
أحسن. صلوا على محمد وآل محمد.
Bravo.
Do you like what the judges said about you? Do you like what they said?
Yeah.
Just a yes? You don't want anything to say back to them?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Brilliant, brilliant. Guys, please, a loud... I think a salawat is really, really befitting of this young man's performance. Please, let me hear a loud salawat ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad.
Little Meesam softened Mullah Nazar with his heartfelt noha.